Hey foodies! It's Mihaela from Blondelish.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Moroccan-inspired chicken and vegetable tagine. This dish is made with tender pieces of braised chicken and loaded with flavorful veggies. It's what makes this tagine a feast. Now for this recipe you'll need to have all the veggies prepared. So let's start. The carrots peeled and cut in half lengthways. The zucchini cut in half lengthways. Potatoes peeled and cut into 8 wedges each, so they can cook at the same time as the other veggies. The bell pepper cut into thick strips. The onion cut into wedges. Place all the prepared vegetables in a large bowl. Add the harissa paste, pressed garlic, 2 tablespoons of oil and a generous pinch of salt and ground pepper. Mix with your hands to thoroughly combine, then set aside. Next, heat the remaining tablespoon of oil in your tagine pot over medium heat. Add in the bite-sized pieces of chicken and cook, stirring frequently until no longer pink. Sprinkle with the ginger, turmeric powder and add in the saffron. Stir to combine with the spices. Reduce the heat to a low and start arranging the vegetables in a conical shape on top of the chicken. Sprinkle with olives and pour in 1 cup of water. Set the lid on and cook over low heat for 35 to 45 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked through and the vegetables are tender. Garnish with the freshly chopped parsley. Wow! Just look at the beauty of this tagine dish. It really is perfect to impress your crowd. That was it for today, foodies. For the full recipe, plus tips and tricks, just click the link below. And for weekly updates, like, share and subscribe.